happy and grateful that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I now have $50 million sitting in my bank account. I am happy and grateful. I've made my first sale on Saturday. I've been a part of the system from April of this year. Oh my God, it's amazing. I've changed my life, my mindset, my thinking. The affirmations and meditations are awesome. Awesome. Even when life was throwing some blocks at me, I just were keeping on with my meditations and my affirmations, and I picked myself right back up. Thanks be to God. I want to say a big thank you to Wesley and Ariella. You guys rock. You guys are amazing. Love you guys. I'm so happy to be a part of y'all team. Guess what? Because why? Y'all team are the winning team. We are not losers. We are winners. We millionaires do not give up. We continue.